Like, ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like.
We're gonna be doing rock lights today. Just got them delivered. Yesterday it was raining, I couldn't do it. Today's a little bit better. They come in small boxes like this. You got the rock lights. You get a rock light itself. I feel like it's metal. Kind of feels good, heavy duty. Then you get a pouch full of flat rubber piece spacer, and also a rounded one, just in case you want to put it on the metal or stuff like that. And then you also get 2 bolts. I won't be using these bolts. I'll be using self-tapping screws. Put them on the wheel wells, and then I'll figure out where the brain goes, and I could extend the wires out to the battery, and yeah, make it look good. Shouldn't take that long, but we'll see how it goes. I'm bending the wire to fit the gasket. And then I'm inserting the self-tapping screws inside. I'll use this to put them in. I will go and put them on the wheel wells and show you how it's done. I found a flat spot where I could just mount this, and I'll just run the wire through this channel all the way down and across, probably somewhere in the middle. And then I'll figure out how to get the brain to connect to the wires. But yeah, I feel like this is a great spot. It's just a little bit tilted towards the outside, so the light will shine here inside the wheel well, and a little bit on this side also. I think this is a good spot. I'll test it when everything's plugged in, and if I don't like it, I can move it anytime I want because it's not bolted in. I could just unscrew it and screw it somewhere else. So for the front, this does not reach in there. I don't have the smaller one, so we're just gonna use this with a hand tighten it. It's not that hard. I did a second side, so just hand tighten both, and then that should be good. So basically, long story short, we're gonna make the left side come over the other side, so through the heat shield of the exhaust. We're using this wire to go through the plastics and then hook it like this so we can pull it on the other side. Right away, I took the bolts off that attach this plastic piece on the bottom of the car. I'm gonna hide this box behind this plastic, glue it down, and zip tie it. This wire came from the other side, past the heat shield, came over the heat shield. Then it's gonna end up right here. It's gonna end up right here with all the other lights connected. All the 3 wires that are connected, these are far side. I wanted to make sure everything fits here, and then at the end I'll end up extending these wires out to the battery. But I'll be connecting this differently. I don't want to connect it directly to the battery. I'll connect it to the switch that I have, wireless switch, and then I'll use that to turn it on and off. The switch I'm talking about, it's a wireless switch that attaches right here. The wireless switch, it does control my grill lights, but I'm gonna connect it in series, so negative to negative, positive to positive. This is for the grill lights. And now we're gonna check it if it works, and then we'll rewire it through the back of the battery. We're using electrical tape to seal the connections, just in case, I don't know. I do go through a lot of rain and snow and salt. I don't want anything rusting and shorting out. So I'm just gonna tape this around and I'll disconnect it then. Run it through the engine bay, connect it, hold it up, and then that should be it. Not the nicest job of taping, but hey, it gets the job done. These are pretty good. This is for the grill lights. This is gonna be for the rock lights. We'll run the cable all the way down here, behind the battery, where this wire goes. I'll just attach it to this, pull it from the bottom. We go all the way around, back inside. Starting off, if you really want to see the video full layout and how it works at night, let me know or follow my Instagram and DM me. But the app in general is very simple. You get the color wheel, you get the default lights and some preset lights. Also you get a music tab that works and blinks with your music in your library, and then you get the voice tab, also reacts to the voice that comes to the phone, and also the default setup lights. Basically, the light that pulse and flash and strobe automatically.